Hello, Klasse 9. Unfortunately, I set you something that was quite complicated and didn't think about that at the time. So here's a quick video. So it's the number 4, Woche 7 lockdown, reading and writing. So if we go down here, we've got this document here, reading die Familie. So if we open it up, what we've got there is just an information grid. So I have einen Bruder, zwei Brüder, drei Schwestern. So it's eine Schwester or einen Bruder or zwei Brüder und drei Schwestern. Or if you got, ich habe einen Bruder und eine Schwester. Or ich habe keine, I have none. Right, now this is stuff that should have been covered in the previous couple of lessons, alright? So, ich bin Einzelkind means I am an only child. So the first part here, you've got all of these pictures. So this one here is saying, I have got, what did I put it down for? A brother and a sister. Yeah. So if you were this person describing this picture here, you'd say, I have got a brother and a sister. Ich habe einen Bruder und eine Schwester. This person here would say, I have got 2 brothers, etc. This one hasn't got anything, so I am an only child, etc. So it goes to 10, so you write what the person would write there. Okay? Yeah, for some reason there's a number 11 there. Shouldn't be. Okay. So then we go down to this one here. It says, take a close look at the family tree and fill in the gaps in the sentences with the correct word from the box. So we got Sven at the bottom, Sophia, Christian, Claudia, Volker, Nicole, Stefan, Helge und Walter. So Volker ist the something of Sophia. Volker is the something of Sophia. So there's Sophia, there's Volker. So Volker is the father of Sophia. So Volker ist der Vater von Sophia. He is the father of Sophia. Helga, who is Helga? Helga is the grandmother of, no, wait a minute, where's Sven? Yeah, so he is Sven's grandmother. Here we go. Großmutter. Helga ist die Großmutter. I'm putting double. Oh, and I want a capital G. Okay, so you're just looking at that family tree. Who are these people in relation to these people? Okay. Get rid of that. Okay. All right, so now you've got these people here, you've got names and you've got ages. So it says Lucas introduces his family. All right. And here, das ist mein. So all of these, if you're saying masculine words, it's mine. If it's a female, it's meine. He is called or she is called and is so-and-so years old. So basically, what you need to do is write down what Lucas would say about the people in his family tree above. Yeah. So, for instance, if I said, das ist meine Schwester Julia und sie ist 8 Jahre alt. So that's my sister Julia and she is 8 years old. And then this one here, introduce your family members using the table and add pictures of or photos on the left, right? So you might have a picture of your sister and you say, that is my sister. She is called Michelle and she's so-and-so years old. All right. Now, as it gets more difficult, if you're able to work it out, that's good. But really anything after here is extension work. So don't worry too much if you don't get this one here. But what you do here is you're reading all the information here and you're putting what's missing on the family tree. Okay, so I hope that was a little bit more helpful for you. Cheers.